When helping a client sell their property, it is very important to understand that marketing of a property goes beyond what you see in the digital world here on social media or on the internet. This is Jessica Bordelon, realtor with Berkshire Hathaway in New Orleans, and I'm excited to announce that just by maintaining and sustaining a great real estate network and understanding how the market changes occur and what kind of buyers are active at any given moment makes it more comfortable and easier to reach those buyers, even in a challenging market. And so I'm excited to announce that my client's property has received a lot of attention this weekend, going into tomorrow, and he's going to secure by choosing an offer by tomorrow. So I'm excited to announce that on his behalf. I'm excited to work for him in this endeavor, that the buyer will get the home or investment they're looking for, and that he achieves the goals that he's looking for. Looking forward to doing more business just like this. And if you're interested in learning more about marketing of your property, if you're in the market to sell, hit me up by dropping a comment below or send a text to the number on the screen.